process, stakeholder details, step-by-step representation. SDD is pending that we can do. And development, I think we are already done, like you have already created it. We'll do the testing and UAT and deployment. So these things are required. But for these things to happen, we require code need to be updated by multiple people. If you ask me, like there should be a single version of code that should be updated by multiple people, and we need to have information. Okay. Now, for me, I have GitHub RPA Vajrang will take me to this. Okay. So this is our complete repo where we'll be working on. A repo is like a place where we store our code, nothing else. So today is day 14. GitHub repo URL. Okay. So if you have seen, last teams have committed, have done 635 commits in total, like all the teams. Okay. So let's see how many you can take, and our GitHub. I am not sure how many RPA GitHubs have this many forks, but our GitHub have around 185 forks. Like 185 people are contributing day in and day out to our GitHub. Okay, there might be multiple folders. Everyone are working their own thing, but everything is an addition of the code. Okay, so now what we can do, I need someone to share their screen and download GitHub Desktop into their machines. Download GitHub Desktop. GitHub Desktop. Yep. So download it for Windows. Who's sharing the screen?
Vajrang, let me share my screen.
Yeah.
So I usually use GitHub web application, not the desktop application.
So for the ease of everyone, we'll use GitHub Desktop. Like for
Okay.
everyone to visually see what is what. That's fine. Even if
Okay.
even if you know everything, that's fine. So just after logging into GitHub, so click on sign into GitHub.
Mhm.
So it will take you to the login. Just give your login ID and password. If you don't, do you have
Uh,
account already?
no, I don't have my personal account.
Yeah.
Let me
So I
create
think,
one.
yeah, this should be done by everyone, by the way. This is not you only. This is a task or activity to be done by everyone now immediately. So once you are done with creation of account and once you download and log in, please reply completed.
Okay.
Done.
Yep.
Go to our teams and wait. Let others confirm. Guys, please confirm whether the activity is completed or not. Keerthan says it's done. What about others? You need to log in into GitHub Desktop. Kiran says it's done. Okay. What about others? Let's wait for 2 more minutes. Logging in. You need to complete the sign up and you can. So everyone can unmute and talk until and unless there is no too much of disturbance from you. Everyone can unmute and be ready to talk. Okay, I'm hoping that it's done. Okay, go and search for Vajrang RPA developer 30 days repo. Vajrang-b, you can search for Vajrang-b.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go ahead and search. Yeah. So on the right side, there is something called fork. Right side. First remote control and give me the remote control so that I can guide you.
Yeah.
So here on the right, there is something called fork. And if you click on fork, this is what you will get. So what exactly you're trying to do? So Vajrang has the repository named RP developer in 30 days. Now we are cloning it so that it becomes yours. Okay, so that is the reason here you can see this is as Shashank. Okay, Shashank slash RP developer in 30 days. Description if you want, you can write, create a fork. Now, whatever code that you write is in your repository. Though it's linked to mine, everything that will be changed, it will be changed only in your repository. Okay. So sync fork, update branch. Okay. If there is anything to sync, then like if there is something from me that's updated, that's not it in the child branch. So mine is the root for everyone. Okay, because I started it and everyone are taking copy from me. The end goal is to add all the changes back to the root. Okay, now hit on code. Okay, now open in GitHub Desktop. Now this should open. Okay, this is still signing in. Let's wait. Or skip this step. Cancel. Sign into GitHub. So you need to authorize your desktop. Always allow. Open. Okay, can you see now your name is given and your email is also updated. So this is coming by default. And can you see your repo? So whatever repository you have forked, that is yours, not mine. That is completely yours. And you can use it, access it, change it. You can do anything you want. Okay. Shashank, click on that repository and clone it. Go to GitHub Desktop. Go to GitHub Desktop. Yeah. Click on that repository. Yeah, RP developer in 30 days. Clone it. And you can map it to a particular location wherever you want. Completely your requirement. Okay, click on clone. Done. So whatever code that's there in online, now you are taking a copy of it. So the main agenda is you are contributing to the parent repository. So click on to contribute to parent repository. Yeah, continue. Yes.
Show in Explorer or view in GitHub? Which one?
Show in Explorer. So here, if you see, these are all the previous team members. They have their resumes, they have their own files, they have their own projects. Everything is available over here. So you can create your own project, Shashank. Create your project for yourself.
Creating own by name, right?
Yeah, you can create by your name.
I was wrong. It is like in desktop it is continuously signing in but not get loaded. But in web it get loaded. But after the selecting vajrang-b, that RPA developer 30 days, what to do next step?
You can skip login and try to close GitHub desktop and try again. I think that's the same thing that happened with Shashank as well. We just closed the step and then we opened GitHub again. Then it mapped. Just make sure that you are logged in into GitHub in a browser first.
Yes, it is opened in browser. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Shashank, now what you can do, create as empty file and then just commit it. SHA. Okay. Yeah. Create a new file or first commit and then add. The file should not be empty. Just make sure create a text document. I think would be fine. Yeah, that's fine. Just make sure the file is not empty. Just write today's date, hi, hello, everything, anything, that's fine. Okay, save it. Yeah, just save it because it's already saved, right? On one location, just save it. Yes. Close it and now go to GitHub Desktop. Okay, so whatever changes you have, you can see that here. It is showing you that there is one file that is changed. Okay, hit on add your comment and then commit to main. So when you're committing to main, you are adding changes to your repository. It's not mine. Remember that. Okay. Description is not mandatory, but the comment is mandatory on the top. Yeah. First commit. You can just add first commit or anything. That's fine.
So commit to main.
Yeah. Commit to main. So when you are committing to main, it means that you are storing your changes locally. It's not saved in the website. If you go back to the website, and open your item or open your repository.
Get to login now. Vajrang, I do not see your project here.
That's you should not see my project. It's only your project. On the left side you have, right? Shashank Alampalli
Oh yeah,
RPA.
sorry.
Okay, search for your file, your folder. Just see if your folder is available or not, because you have committed it, right?
Yes.
So your folder should be there. Just see it.
I do not see my latest commit here. It says 13 days ago.
Yes. The main reason is you committed to your local.
Yeah.
Okay. Until you push it, you cannot see it. Okay. Go to GitHub Desktop and push the changes. Push to origin. Origin is your origin. Okay. Can you see?
Yeah. First only commit.
Now, if you see that the dummy is committed, and you can just search for your folder and see if the file is updated or not. Search Control F.
Yeah.
It's there, right? Now, if
Yeah.
you go ahead and see into my folder, like below Salampalli, there is Vajrang, right? Click on that. Can you see the changes in my repository on the root? Just search for it. Search for your folder.
Yes, there is. I do not see because I need to create a peer and merge it, right?
To create a pull request. Yes. So
Yeah,
what
I need to
exactly is
create it.
happening is, guys, for everyone, see, he is not the owner for the root. Okay. So, Shashank is not the owner for the root. So what he's doing, he is merging his changes and asking me to confirm whether to accept it or not. And accepting it or not is my responsibility. I need to check, I need to review, and I can approve it. Click on create a pull request and just give out the detail on what's changed. Yeah, create a pull request. Okay. Now I'm sharing my screen. GitHub. Okay. GitHub. github.com. So do you know what is the difference between GitHub and Git? There are 3 pull requests. So before you, there is Saroj who have committed 23 days ago and Rajiv Manyam who have committed with client security hash. Let's see this one. I don't have any conflicts, so I can just go ahead, either assign it to someone or I can label it. I can label it as documentation, bug or anything. I'll mark it as documentation and I'll start with a new project if it is available. But anyhow, I'll squash and merge. Okay. Now, can you share your screen again? Now go to the repo and search. Okay, can you see now the pull request is closed? It means that I have approved the changes.
Yes.
Now, when I approve the changes, only then everyone will be able to see the change, whatever Shashank has made. Go to my repository.
Yeah, I'm in your repository and you can see it's merged.
Yeah, go to the code. Go to the code. Go to the repo code. Search for your folder.
Yep.
Do you see it? And search for the
Yes,
file.
yes. Yeah.
Okay. So now the best thing that can happen is anyone who is connected to my repo can accept or take what changes are being done by others like Shashank, and they can verify and validate. Okay. Now, anyone else? Keerthan, can you share your screen now? If you have.
Yes, Vajrang. Yeah, I have 4 grit already. Hello?
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, this is the folder.
Okay, have you created your folder with name Keerthan?
Yes, I created. It is
Okay.
empty.
You need to add a file. Okay, now Shashank, you guide him. I'll stay on mute. Guys, even if you know this
Just
activity, even if you know how to do all these things, go ahead and do it. Because your code must be accepted to the main branch, and from there next activities will start. So even if you know what is GitHub and everything, just do this activity.
see. Okay.
So,
Okay. Now open your GitHub Desktop. Yep. So there you can see your new file created. Yeah. You one commit message. Just say first commit or. Yep. Commit to main and push origin. Yep. So now open your GitHub in web application.
yeah.
Yep. So here. No, just take it. Okay.
Okay.
Now. Yeah.
So,
You can see your change right here. Search for your name. Yes.
yes.
So go to pull request. On the top. Yeah. Beside the code on the first. On the left side. Left.
Yes.
No, complete left. Yeah. Go to pull request. Yeah. Create a pull request. New pull request. So in the changes, you can see your only one file is changed.
Yes.
Yeah. Go ahead. Create a pull request. Okay. So click on files changed.
Where is it?
Beside checks, commits, checks, and files changed. There is only one. Just little down. Yeah. So here we'll be seeing like the changes what we have done and what we are merging into the main master.
Yeah.
Okay. So once it is done, Vajrang has to approve it and he needs to merge it.
Yes.
Yeah,
That's it.
stay shared. I will merge
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
Okay, 2 members done. What about others?
Yeah, it is showing
Go to
my
complete 500 commits,
So
500 pull requests.
okay. So go to code, Keerthan, on the top.
Yeah.
No. Code down beside issues. Yeah. So here you should be able to see your Keerthan. Search for Keerthan. Control F. One more. Yes. So your changes are in Vajrang's master branch now.
Yes.
And one more thing, Keerthan, you should also see code from Shashank. Search for Shashank folder.
Okay.
Yeah, in the code.
Shashank A.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Search for Shashank.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So wherever you are at any place, you can still work together using this method.
Yes.
Okay. And one more thing, after you take the first commit, you need to pull the changes because there are some changes here, right? Click on fork on the
Behind
top. Click on fork on the top right, next to
the
watch.
top right fork.
Yeah.
So
Create a new fork.
No. Click on Click on your
there is
fork.
Keerthan, right? Yes.
Click
Yeah.
on your fork. Click on your fork.
Here only.
I think it is slower. Yeah. So once it is done, you have to create a new pull request from Vajrang main to
So
your
there
main.
is no pull request required, but you need to fetch the upstream. If you see here, the branch is 1 commit ahead and 3 commits behind Vajrang. So
Yes.
whatever code that's there in my root folder is not available in your code. So if you search for Shashank here, you will not see it. Search for Shashank folder.
No, it is not there.
Reason is it is not yet pulled into your repo. Click on fetch upstream below code. Fetch upstream.
Update branch. Yeah.
Fetch upstream. Fetch upstream. Update branch. Yeah.
So Vajrang, while fetching, if we have any merge conflicts, does it show here?
Yeah, it will show. Then you need to make a pull request again and you need to correct them and then
Yes.
send it back.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I have fetched upstream.
Okay, so this is not enough, but even if you after you fetch upstream, that will be there in your local website only, but that will not be available in your local machine. Again, you need to go to GitHub once more. So the way how you crawl up the tree, you need to get down in the same way.
Should I go here and do fork?
No need, the fork is already done. There can be only one fork. Go to GitHub Desktop. Go to GitHub Desktop.
Yeah.
I have opened it.
So was
Yeah. And the top there is fetch origin, right? Click on fetch origin. And Shashank, you to do it. Everyone can do it. You will see there is one change that is not fetched. Pull origin. Now, when you see pull origin, it means that there are changes on the website that you need to pull. Okay. Pull to your local machine.
Yeah.
Now pull
Done.
it.
Yeah, done already.
Okay. Now go to your Explorer and see whether Shashank folder is available in your local machine or not.
Okay. Yes, it is available.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what about others? Thank you so much, Shashank and Keerthan. So what about others?
Vajrang, I downloaded that GitHub and signed in. Like I need to zip the file now, download the zip option I need to do.
Yeah. So meanwhile, Shashank and Keerthan, what you
Yeah,
need to do, write down the steps, go to notes, both of you.
Teams, right?
Yeah, our team notes.
Okay.
Okay. Shashank, you too. Open that in your machine. Both of you write steps of what we did.
yes.
Priyanka, Sai Kiran, Kishan, Naveen, all have me.
It gets signed in after that. I'm not getting what.
Share your screen, buddy. If anyone want to share the screen, please share.
Okay. Once I'm sharing, it came here after logging in.
See, it never fetched. You need to fetch the changes, fetch origin.
Its origin.
Click on show in Explorer.
Sorry.
Show in Explorer. There is show in Explorer, right? Click on it. Yeah. Now you are seeing code from each and every one. Now create your folder.
Yes, it is there. Changed it. Get updated. Can I commit to mail?
Yeah, correct.
This one, right? Push origin.
Correct. Yes.
After this, which step we need to do?
Then in your local, all the steps are completed. Like you changed something, you pushed it, done.
Okay.
Now everything should happen from browser. Go to your code, click on 4. Your fork. On the top right, you have fork, right? Click on that.
Okay. This one.
So that will take you to your fork.
Okay.
Now you will see this commit ahead. This is one branch, one commit ahead. Okay. Now you can see it here.
This folder.
Yeah. Now you need, if you want to send it to me, then you need to send it. Create a pull request and send it.
Here, right?
Yeah.
We need to search Vajrang.
No, just click on create new pull request. Yeah. Create a pull request. So it will show you if there are any issues while creating this pull request. Now there is no issue, so you can go ahead and create. Okay, create a pull request. I need to approve. I'm approving it. Crash and merge. I completed it. So Sai Kiran also done the same. So Sai Kiran's approved as well. If you go ahead and see in your emails, go into your Gmail and see. You will get notifications. Okay. So all the notifications you will get over emails if it is configured properly. Okay. Understood, not understood,
Yeah,
what's
understood.
happening.
Yes, understood.
But one thing, the changes that are in website are not still in your local machine if you observe.
Okay.
I think those are already there because you took, I think Sai Kiran's changes are not available. Just check whether Sai Kiran's changes are not available or not. Click on fetch origin, or you can click on upstream first, because from root it should come to your repo first. So go to website and click on fetch upstream.
The website.
Go to repo.
My repo, right?
Yes.
Here.
Click on kitchen below.
Okay.
Fetch upstream. See, the branch is 6 commits behind Vajrang. So you need to make a fetch upstream first. Fetch upstream. Update branch. Okay, go to the top.
To commit ahead.
This branch is 2 commits ahead. So if there are any changes, you can make a pull request, but that's fine. Go to GitHub Desktop and then make a pull request, make a pull, fetch origin.
Vajrang.
Yeah.
Yeah, I downloaded the zip file and created my folder and added text file. Then next, what I need to do?
Commit it and send it to your repo, then make a pull request.
Sorry, what is it?
commit your changes.
Okay.
Make pull request. I think Kishan can help you. Kishan.
Yeah.
Shashank
After
will.
this, okay.
Yeah, that's it. It's done. Sanket will share the screen. Please explain him what to be done. What should be done. What about others? Saikiran, I know you are done. Saikiran, what you can do, you have your code, right? The
Yes.
code. Keep that in your folder and make a pull request.
Where inside
Question,
Okay,
I created a
sir.
folder here.
create
Everyone,
inside
add your codes in your just a second.
right any something right
Yeah, right.
Sanket, Sanket, wait.
Yeah.
Everyone who have completed, add your codes like service, the code that I have given on the
Supply
weekend.
change manager.
Yeah, supply chain management. Just add it to your folder, add the code to your folder, and then make it pull same activities, like make pull request so that that can be merged into main. Yeah. Please go ahead, Sanket. Sorry.
Yeah.
Kishan, you can go.
close it and go to the desktop, GitHub desktop,
I think so. Yeah.
yeah, desktop one, that logged one. Here after this browser there is a link is below
Desktop application, buddy. Sanket.
desktop application.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Application.
Yeah. This is asking. Just keep on syncing.
Okay.
Okay. Press cancel.
Login.
Press cancel.
Yeah. Cancel.
You can click on
Yeah.
kill process. Okay. Wait. So get started. It's not yet started. Go to file once. File on the top. Give me the access. Repository view settings. I'm just trying to make some changes in the settings so that you can see GitHub Enterprise. First, we need to sign in. Continue with browser. So this is what I asked you to do. Press desktop. Always allow. Open GitHub in desktop. Now, can you see it now?
Yeah. I can see.
Now clone it. Now this is where you can do it. So whatever zip file you did, this is not correct.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is correct. Yeah. Just start it.
Click on clone. Select the root.
Vajrang, I will share my screen. It is showing some error.
Yeah, go ahead, please. Let him complete. Let Sanket complete.
Okay.
Clone this. We'll clone it.
Okay. So Priyanka, what happened? You committed something, but you're not able to see the changes.
Click on let request.
Yes, Vajrang. The fork which I have created, it is not updated with the folder which I have created in my local.
You share your screen.
Yeah.
Did you clone the repo or not?
Yes, I do.
I already created. Okay.
Stopping.
Sanket, it's still working.
Go ahead. Share your screen. Sangeet will continue.
Okay. This is the folder I have created.
Yeah, that's fine. But do you have file in it?
Yes.
Do you have data in it? Open that file.
Yes.
Okay. Go to GitHub Desktop.
I've already pushed it to the origin.
Okay. Go to website. View on GitHub. You can click on view on GitHub. Yeah. Okay. So, see, that's there, right? Priyanka,
Yes, it is there.
delete high initials.
But there is no folder for my name.
Control F and search. I think you did it somewhere. Okay, let's see. Give me the access. Okay. Give me the access. You need to approve.
Yeah, it is there, Vajrang. Spelling is Priyaka, she has written.
Let's see. Free. It's taking me pricing. Priya. Bindu Priya. No. So let's see it here. Okay. Committed. Okay. View commit details. Changed file. Browse files. So RPA developer in 30 days. Okay. Updated hello text. Okay. Now you can see, I think you changed some fork over here. Okay. Okay.
Yep.
You didn't refresh. That's it. Now, if you can see, you need to make a sync fork. I think your machine is slow somehow. Create a pull request, please. Okay, Sai Kiran approving your SCM project.
Okay, Vajrang.
Full changes, pull requests. Supplier creation project Shashank approved. So if you observe, yeah, tell me.
Shall I share my screen?
Yeah,
I directly have to click on this after creating.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I have uploaded my project. SCM.
What is that?
SCM project.
So show me the folder. Is it a zip file that you're trying to upload?
No.
Okay, open that. Okay, then go ahead and apply. Priyanka, I got your pull request.
So when I try to commit, it is showing this error.
What is it saying?
On branch main, your branch is up to date with origin/main.
So your branch is up to date with origin or main untracked file. There are files, nothing added to commit, but you are using git add. Use git add. Okay, click on close. Okay, now you need to hit on this plus button, I guess. Click on that plus button.
This?
Because it is showing only one file. That's what I'm checking. Why is it not showing the complete folder? Like there should be some around 50 to 60 files that should be updated over here.
Okay.
So go to on the top, there is repository, right? Click on that.
Here.
Yeah, a repository. No, on the top, top.
Okay.
View, show in Explorer.
Sure.
Okay, now go ahead and see your files, your folder. Is it available?
Yes.
Open that.
Should I open this?
Yeah, just open project file, JSON file, project.json. The file should be added. Yeah, just save it. Just on the top, there is reproject 1, right? Change it to 2 and then save it. Save it and then close. Yeah, go ahead and see now.
Nothing. One change.
Yeah, just go ahead and commit it. Your branch is up to date with origin. Untracked files are available. Git add file to include in what will be committed. With nothing added to commit. Click on close. Click on close. Go back to changes, history changes. No. Click on history. Change next to changes, there is history, right? Click on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, merge branch main into main 24 minutes ago. Okay. Close GitHub and open it again just to have the files. It should be done. Okay, even if it's not done, then we'll see tomorrow. Okay, guys, did you understand GitHub concept here? How we are making the changes, how we are making sure others are able to get the changes that we are committing. And Priyanka, if you can see, you are, I think I have approved last request of yours. You will be able to see all the members who made the changes.
Oh, yes, I do.
In your GitHub. And if you go to history, that's where you will see, like last we have Keerthan just shown, right? Like in the history, you will see what are the changes made and who made which change. Even if that is a small space change, okay, that will be taken into consideration.
Please, I can see the changes for Keerthan right now.
Yeah, so that's it for today. But I think, okay, this is nice. Nice thing, buddy. Except my names are wrong somewhere. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. Did you enjoy the task for today? From tomorrow, there is everything you should do in Repo. That's the reason I took the complete session to make sure everyone does it. Is it done by everyone?
Yes, Vajrang.
Okay, I'm giving you one
Vajrang, I have
more.
not completed it due to network issue.
That's fine. Just go ahead. I'm going to save this, share this recording as well, right? Just go ahead and save it. So again, giving you one more day to complete the PDDs. Don't delay it because that is important for us to write the code. Okay. Did you get it, guys? No, yes, no. Tell me. We'll be writing test cases tomorrow. Everyone. Okay. Okay. Have a great day, everyone. I'm stopping the recording and have fun.
Thank you.